Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for May 24th through June 5th. May 24th to May 28th, teleconnection with positive height anomalies here west of the Aleutians and also near Greenland. Favors a trough in the west and near Labrador. A trough over the Gulf of Mexico is forecast to track northward into the lower Mississippi Valley, and then above normal temperatures are forecast for much of the nation. Now, heavy rain and storms are possible for the northern plains eastward, and the National Hurricane Center is monitoring an area of disturbed weather in the Gulf of Mexico for possible development. Otherwise, rain and storms will be possible from the lower Mississippi Valley and the southeast. And we're going to talk about that right now. Okay, we're going to go here now. And this is the European deterministics. This is the amount of rainfall. So our system here, kind of blowing up here over the Yucatan, near the Yucatan and near Cuba. And then we go into Thursday, Friday. Here's the system here, and there's a deep feed from way down here in the tropics, and this will be affecting Florida in the southeast as we go through the period. You can see there's here's excessive rainfall amounts of, let me see, we see some oranges. That's excessive rainfall in purples. And then we're going to look at the GFS. And they're similar, but more focused over Florida as we go into next weekend. And then here we are on Monday, system possibly here near the Carolinas. And this might affect the weather further north. There's some questions of how far northward this is going to go. Now, another thing I want to look at here, this is the surface map. Let me see if I have a better one. Okay, we have to use this. This is the NavGem. Here's our system down here. This will be Friday. Kind of has a closed circulation right here. You can see right here. And now we're looking at the GFS. Also has a closed circulation, bringing it in near the mouth of the Mississippi River. So this system be watched right now. Is widely scattered. Moderate convection rain showers over areas that extend from the southwest Caribbean and across Cuba and Florida and the Bahamas and nearby Atlantic Ocean. And this area is supposed to continue to move northward. So we're going to see how this goes in the next few days. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for May 27th to the 31st, and we still have our ridge trough here, and we also have a tendency for a weak trough here in the Gulf of Mexico. That's what our system down there, it's still a weak trough. And then we go forward in time. We don't see much change. We have near to above normal heights across much of the nation here. And then we look at the rest of the models. You can see they're in good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation, with the numbers at 2 to 4 degrees above normal, and for precipitation near to below normal precipitations forecast for the western, from the plains to the Pacific coast. and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and we have above normal precipitation for this region here. This depends on what the system does. I think this is a little underdone. I think it should be a darker green here, but that's what the model is showing, and the probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. Now, May 1st to the 5th. The change in this period will be the area of negative height anomalies will pass. This is GFS. And then we go to the 5th. You can see now we have above normal heights across much of the nation. We have above normal heights here. And we still have our weakness or trough here of the Gulf of Mexico, the lower Mississippi Valley. And then we look at the rest of the models. They're in pretty good agreement. So I'm forecasting a little tendency for a trough here in the Northeast. So for this forecast period, I am calling for above normal temperatures from the plains to the Pacific coast with anomalies of 2 to 8 degrees above normal. 8 degrees above normal here in parts of the Northwest, and near normal temperatures elsewhere. And for precipitation, I'm forecasting above normal precipitation here with the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and we have above normal precipitation here for this region. Probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for May 24th through June 5th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.